Look! Lumee is playing outside. Jump, jump, splash. Oh no. Sand everywhere. Lumee is very, very dirty.
Bath time, Lumee.
No, not now.
Uh-oh. Stinky Bugs are coming. Bugs love dirty feathers.
Wash, wash, wash.
Rinse, rinse, rinse. Bubble bath is so much fun. Lumee's bath time. Follow me. Let's go. Take clothes off. Put them away. Turn on shower. Splash and play. Wash, wash, wash. Wash our hair. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse our hair. Bubble, bubble body. Clean everywhere. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse bubbles away. I did it. Mama dries Lumee with towel. Pick up hooray. Clean clothes on, ready to go. Bath time finished, now we glow. Yeah.
Wait, the bugs are scared. Run away, little bugs.
Bath time keeps bugs away.
Wow, Lumee is sparkling clean.
Happy chicken time.